Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Potatoes should be mashed using warm milk only. Cold milk will make your potato turn grey. 7 best times to drink water. Dark circles under your eyes. Vitamin K found in leafy greens like kale and spinach may help reduce them. Add these veggies to your plate for a brighter look. Chinstrap penguins take more than 10,000 micro naps a day so they can stay vigilant and guard their eggs. This makeshift jail cell truly brings out the horrors of the Salem witch trials. It was in cells like this one that accused witches spent their final moments before being executed. A research found guys who had any form of artistic talent were perceived more attractive by girls. Dogs can age healthier by socializing with humans and pets. The pineal gland is the brain's antenna. It can send or receive signals through time, space, and dimensions. This green flash is a rare sight before sunrise or after sunset when sunlight refracts to the Earth's atmosphere, creating a brief green spot above the sun's edge, usually seen over clean ocean views. There are three types of long-term memories: episodic, semantic, and procedural. A single snowflake is known as one of the most delicate and minuscule items in the world. However, the largest measured snowflake was a whopping 15 inches wide. A healthy relationship will never require you to sacrifice your friends, your dreams, or your dignity. During the first half of the 20th century, bald eagles were considered a threat to the salmon fishing industry and over 100,000 eagles were killed. Make a password into a goal of yours so you can constantly have to be reminded of it. The last words of Winston Churchill, one of the most highly respected and feared leaders in World War II, were, "I am bored with it all." 100% of Iceland population has internet access. To hang 10 in surfing means to have all 10 toes over the edge of the board when riding a wave. Happier people are more likely to retain relationships. Dr. Prafulla Chandra Ray, also known as the father of Indian chemistry, is the reason why India produces HCQ in large amount, which is now being exported to the world to combat COVID-19. Binary time is a process of time measurement in which there are 10-hour days, 100 minutes an hour, and 100 seconds in a minute. This is also known as French Revolutionary Time, a system the French have tried to adopt twice, once in 1793 and 1897. Sirius, known as the dog star, is the brightest star as seen from Earth, which is about 24 times brighter than the Sun. If your given last name is closer to the end of the alphabet, you are more likely to be an impulsive spender, according to researchers from Georgetown University. Economics and business majors are more likely to be psychopaths, according to researchers in Denmark. Swedish $10 copper coins made in 1644, world's largest coins, weighed 19.71 kg. Mario actually does not hit the bricks with his head, but it actually punches them if looked closely. Monrovia, the capital of Liberia in Africa, was named after the 5th US President, James Monroe. During every game, football players run an average of 9.65 km. June Almeida was the first woman to discover the first human coronavirus in 1964, who described the virus as a hollow crown like structure. Football was invented in China nearly 476 BC. Family that only walk on all fours leaves scientists baffled as they should not exist. Over the course of just one day, our blood runs the distance of 19,312 kilometers. A belief in astrology is in some ways a coping mechanism. Research suggests that it helps people make sense of things during times when life feels complex. Astrology becomes a tool that can be turned to for comfort. Feeling well connected to others makes us happier, healthier, and extends our lives. Married men are said to live 12 years longer on an average than unmarried men, and married women live 7 years longer on average than unmarried women. The most distinctive design element of the iron spider suit is a set of robotic appendages that deploy from its back. These long, powerful, spindly arms, or Waldos, put even more spider in Spider Man by allowing him to scuttle more nimbly around walls. Yes, when we digest the proteins present in cow's milk, they release a hormone similar to insulin called IGF-1. This hormone triggers acne breakouts. Also, more than 65% of adults are lactose intolerant.
Kids screaming
Why is divorce rate less in India?
melodies. I see the world through ice covered.
India has a strong emphasis on family values, and social cultural norms play a significant role in shaping attitudes towards marriage.
Everything. Fire spreading all around me.
Arranged marriages are common in India, and they are often based on considerations such as family background, caste, and compatibility. Economic factors can influence the decision to divorce. The legal process for divorce in India can be complex and time consuming.
Force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee?
Thanks for watching.
I live inside my own world of make